Hi everyone and welcome back to the Nails channel. I'm Steffi Fernandez and in today's video we'll be doing a gorgeous, simple autumn design using our stunning leafy stickers. Let's get cracking. Okay, so I'm going to be using one of our stiletto nails that we sell on our website. I love that shape and I think it will go so nice with our design. So I'm going to apply soft pebbles on the nails and I'm going to do 2 thin coats of this. I really love this color. I think that every nail artist should have this in their gel polish stash. I'm going to be using an amazing color. It's called the Scream. I didn't even realize it's named that, but it's a gorgeous kind of orangey, chunky glitter mix that we have, and it's so stunning. And I'm going to create a bit of an ombre fade on the top of the nail. So I'm just going to apply some of that glitter onto the top. Literally just apply it and try and kind of concentrate the glitter at the top section. So just pat it on the nail like so. You can start bringing it down slightly, but only just a little bit. So this is where we're going to stop. I'm now going to be using an ombre brush just to fade that glitter, so you get a bit of an ombre fade. So I'm just going to kind of stroke the glitter downwards, but try and notice like how it fades as it goes down. Like you want to concentrate most of the glitter at the top section and then kind of try and fade it in a way that's like natural more than anything, rather than just, pulling it down and then, hoping it looks okay. Just move the glitter around.
Get some of them bigger particles to the top.
To the top, exactly. I mean, it's nice to keep some of them here. Yeah. Because then it kind of makes it, look as if
you want it to look natural, don't you?
That's it.
Super handmade.
That's right. So I'm just going to use some of this tiny glitter, like the really fine glitter that's in this mixture, and I'm going to try and pull it through. And I think I kind of like what it looks like right now. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a cure for the full length of time. Right, so I've got this gorgeous layer over here cured. I'm going to just pick up some of my gel residue wipe-off solution on the what is it called, Drew? Lint-free wipes. That's it. Yeah. And I'm just gonna wipe the tacky layer off, just because I'm gonna apply some stickers now, and I don't want to have any residue under the stickers. I want it to look nice and smooth. So I've removed that, and now I'm going to be using one of our gorgeous autumn leafy mix that we sell on our website. Let me just show you how amazing it looks. I think probably you could get a better view of that.
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Getting that goodness?
No, yeah, I'm getting it.
So we've got this, but I'm not going to use this one because I've opened one earlier on and I've got a bit of an OCD. I don't like just opening loads of different packs. Just, I don't like it. Do you?
No.
When there's loads of packs open of the same product and then you just get it stresses me out.
It's waste, isn't it?
It's a waste. And we've got so much here, but it's still it's not I'm limited with resources, but I just don't like doing it. Anyway, I'm going to be using some of our gorgeous leaves and I'm going to apply them in a way that basically fades from the top to the bottom. And that's going to be fading with the kind of glitter. So I'm just gonna kind of roll the stickers a bit, and I'm gonna use tweezers, just because it'll probably stick to my nails, to my gloves. So I'm just gonna apply the sticker over here, and I can use the silicone tool just to flatten it out. I mean, it's not done yet, and I'm loving this. I'm gonna put the leaf over here. I'm gonna use a few leaves, you know, just to keep it quite interesting. So let's pick another one. I'm gonna go with this one because it's got quite a lot of different colors in it. I love the color of the leaves in the autumn, you know what I mean?
I know.
Ain't it gorgeous? Like, it's just, I'm gonna put this leaf over here. Can even press it down with my glove. If you have a glove, that's all right. Just press it on. I'm gonna use a few more. So let's use something that's quite tiny. So I'm gonna be taking this one over here. Can't believe how quick I'm removing the stickers.
Oh, you're doing well.
Usually it just gets stuck. I always get stuck. Yeah. So I'm gonna put that on. Let me just sorry. I'm gonna cut a little bit of this. It's gonna pop out and drive me insane. There we go. And I'm gonna be using another one. I need a small one. So I'm gonna take this leaf over here. Now we've talked about how well I did, and continuing to do well. So I'm gonna be using this leaf over here and just pressing it on the nail. Now I'm just making sure the stickers are nice and flat, and I'm gonna go back with the glitter just to create a bit of a, you know, I want it to look like the glitter and the leaves are
intertwined.
Kind of, yes, that's the word. So I'm literally just applying another, not too thick, another layer just at the top, and I'm going to be pulling the glitter just over it. Okie dokie, so the nail looks like so right now. So you see how the glitter and the leaves are kind of, you know, blended in nicely together. So we've got some glitter on top of the leaves, and it makes it look like more kind of
intertwined.
Yeah, that whatever he said, exactly that. Now, to finish it off, I'm just going to add one more sticker at the top, just to show that there are leaves on top as well, because I think it looks a lot nicer, right? So I'm going to be taking probably something that's a bit more yellowy. Let's see if, oh yeah, we've got a yellowy here one. So I'm going to be using this leaf just so it stands out slightly more. And I'm going to pick it up with my tweezers if they're facing the right way, that is. We've been talking about doing well.
This is it. Don't crack under the pressure.
Oh, you can do it, you can do it. There we go. Hooray! So I'm going to take this one, and I'm just going to apply it on the top over here. I'm going to press it down, and I'm going to cut the excess off. Of course, if you do it on a client, cut the excess off before you stick it on. But as I'm doing it on a nail, I'm okay to do it now. So I'm just pressing it down. And look how gorgeous this looks with that little leaf just on top, that finishing touch, right?
Stunning.
I know. Now what I'm going to do is just top coat this for you guys, and then if I can find the top coat. That was not the top coat. That's another top coat. This is the top coat.
Whoa.
Hooray. So, anyway, I'm going to top coat this for you guys and then I'll reveal the final look. And this is the final result, guys. So we've done a stunning glitter fade with some leaves coming through. I absolutely love this design. I've done one early as well. So I'm just going to put them side by side so you can see how stunning it looks. You can do like all nails like this, or you can do one nail like this, one nail glitter, all the rest in soft pebbles. You can do a mix and match, and these beauties will not let you down. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and as usual, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all on the next one. Take care, guys. Test 1 2 1 2 test.
Ready to go.
I just thought I'll match myself to the hype. Okay, someone said my skin is glowing. How cute is that?
What,
on YouTube, they're like, oh, and by the way, Steffi, your skin is glowing. And I'm like, I wish it was, because that mean I had sex, but I didn't. It's not glowing from anything, maybe just holiday skin. It will be next weekend, though.
Steffi.
No lie.
Naughty.
I can't wait to see him, man. Can't wait.